Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix your decline for your protection issue on your Cash App account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So the reason for this kind of error might be many. One of the major reasons might be your information that you've provided is wrong, or the details that you've provided while you're doing the transaction process. And the other thing might be that if you have an insufficient fund, and it might lead to this kind of error. And the third reason for this kind of error is that if your card is expired or if you have not provided a valid information of your card. So last but not least, in case if your Cash App account is frozen. Talking about the solution, what you can do is, in order to fix it, before you transfer any funds to your external wallet, make sure that you have provided a correct information. And I already mentioned, if you have an insufficient fund on your Cash App account, make sure to deposit a limited amount, and after that you might be able to fix it. And make sure to check whether your card is expired or valid. So you need to go through all of these processes. If none of these methods are the issue, then what you can do is simply contact the customer service, and after that you'll be notified about the issue. So that is the way how you can fix decline for your protection issue on your Cash App account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.